welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be vlogging the world's biggest Primark. Follow me. I can't do it, man. Yeah. Watching me though, man. Yo guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be vlogging the world's biggest Primark. It's got barbers in it, it's got free cafes, a Disney cafe too, it's got beauty salons. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a cheeky thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you get alerted for my next video, and let's get into it.
Just a throwback kid from the 90s. I start my ABCs with the YZ. I paint with different colors and never in the light.
Just in town now, walking up to the Primark. I haven't been in it yet, it's been open for a few days, but I haven't been in it. Just walking up to the Primark now. There's always something going on in Brum. So I went to the barbers. It's £25. If I want my hair shaved, just my sides, they want to charge me £25. £25, it's not. It's going to cost me £25. What a rip-off. What an absolute joke. Absolute joke, Clara. So the men's section is all downstairs. And there's a free floor to women's. Yeah. So we just came out, didn't stay in there that long. I feel like I need a lot longer to see it all properly, but it is very big. It looks cute though, it's got everything you need. Some of the stock looks a lot better than the one in the other Primark, but what do you expect, man? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a cheeky thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. See you later!